Alright, so we were rolling first game, fresh out of box with the Scorpion low flare. Our layout is 70 by 4 3/4 by 50. It's my first 70 by 50 layout. And this is the number 3 surprise ball that I got from Bowling World. Let's see how it rolls. So I made this one pretty weak and controlled, especially for our burn conditions. So we're dealing with post-league lane conditions right now. This is game 5 of post-league. All right, let me know if you have a Scorpion low flare. I've heard it's a really good ball. Like I said, I drilled it up today. Or sorry, when you're watching this video, I drilled it up last night. And the PSO said it's a really good ball. So good that he bought all of them out, all the 15 pounders. So good luck trying to find a 15 pound now. So a little bit stronger right now than I thought. I think the diff is 0.030.
Ryan. Say goodnight, Ryan. Say goodnight, Ryan.
All right, take care, brother.
See you Wednesday.
All right, trying to figure this ball out. And usually what I found out with a lot of the first games on each ball, it kind of needs to break in the cover a little bit, so we'll see if that's the case. All right. But like I said in the previous video, I was gonna get a Scorpion Strike last year, and then I definitely had both of those on my radar. So Scorpion Strike and Scorpion Low Flare, and so voila, Bowling World surprise ball number 3 to get me a low flare. A little sloppy, but it works. Oh shit. Almost.
Like that. Alright, back to my game.
In that pocket there. So it took a little bit far out to the right, just kind of test the waters, and it came shooting right back. So I was told by the PSO to go pin down on this. I decided to ignore that and go pin close to the middle finger. good hit. Alright, see if I can't get my thumb stuck in this spare ball again. I lied when I said it was my only purple ball. I got the purple hammer, duh. Go a little too fast, didn't put a lot of spin on that one. Flat 10. So the ball's actually starting to come alive the more I roll with it, which is typical. Frames were.
Get a feel for it, see what the next one looks like.
Yeah. Once again, took it out to probably the 5 or less board. Yeah, came back pretty good. It comes back from the dry pretty well. Pretty impressed. All right, folks, that would be a 203 game 1 with the Scorpion Low Flare. Almost forgot the damn name. And let's roll another game just to see what we got with this ball. So we're starting game 2. Hopefully I can better that score. Ball's broken in a little bit. Snap of those pins, that thing sounds beautiful. Beautiful. Not quite. So I wonder how this compares to GB5. That's another ball I was looking to get. This looks very similar to that. You don't see too many people rolling this Scorpion low flare on the PBA tournaments or anything. Flat 10. That was pretty cool. Got lucky on that one. So yes sir, you can get a little bit of carrier and messengers with the string pins. I've seen it happen, folks. Messenger, if you saw that one coming in there clearing the rag just in case. There for backup. So that one I put a little bit more spin on it and it seemed to work. I'm gonna try that from here on out. Look at that, huh? So I'm always curious of what kind of ball reaction I'm going to get based on the layouts I give it. And right now I've been experimenting quite a bit with layouts. All right, 10th frame here. See if I can't get over 200 there. Make it a clean game. Lucky on those 10s. 14.7 mile an hour on that last one. Once again, 10 pin just knocked over. I'm getting lucky. All right, one more. See if we can get a nice high score here. I never get a strike on the last frame. Damn it. All right. So that was the game with the Scorpion Low Flare. That was a 236. Pretty much a clean game in my book. Cool. So yeah, that's game 2 with the Scorpion Low Flare. Not too shabby. I'll have to bowl some more with it and see how it works. Let me know if you have the Scorpion Low Flare, if you like it, what your layout is on it. And be sure to like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.